Mm.
I have my daughter opening. She's probably just as excited as I am.
I'm excited for you to stop talking about them.
Shh. Be good, kid.
No. And bubble wrap.
Woohoo! Already see one of them silver. Oh, some stuff fell down. Nothing else in the box. Put them on. Go ahead and put them up here.
There's some kind of tool.
Went ahead and picked out the blade tool. The blades are the heavy grade, not the ultra ones. Oh, I can already see one of them's an LE.
I'm thinking you're supposed to see clear tape on clear bubble wrap.
I don't know. Keeps it safe in the transport, I guess.
Especially when you're blind, like me.
Nah, you're just silly. Use your knife.
Yeah. I like being different.
All right. Woohoo! Yeah, it looks like the first one, we'll start at this end. It looks like it is the, I think that's the Apprentice LE version 3, 4. Go ahead and roll it over. Oh, it's got the got the AV, or no, I don't know if that's not AV. The silver switch, that's an upgrade on it.
They put batteries in it.
If you want to go ahead and push the button, we'll see what color it is. Oh, it's blue. We got Guardian Blue. All right, let's see what the other one is. This one is the, I want to say the Aeon, but I don't think that's right. I'll have to double check and make sure. This has the guarded switch. Got the windows. Of course, that got the windows as well. So both windows. That's awesome. All right, let's light it up. And it's green. So we got a green one and a blue one.
Oh, that's bright.
That's awesome.
Why does this one click when I turn it on?
Well, that I don't know.
Kind of.
Well, that's it for these two. They look like they're pretty good quality. Let's zoom in. They're really nice. I don't see any. Well, there's a little bit of a scuff mark here, but I think that's more of a.
It's probably from the wrapping.
It's probably tape, I think. When people keep saying that there might be flaws or something when you get them, but I don't see any. No, none there. No.
No, it's just the.
No flaws on the end. Overall, looks like got some pretty good ones. Awesome.
Oh, no,
Can't wait to go out and try them out. I may do a video on trying that out. Thanks for coming. Thanks for viewing.